Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 55 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given 50 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Learn Ethical Hacking from A to Z, Beginner to Expert course. In this course, you will learn how to become an elite ethical hacker, how to set up a hacking lab, how to launch attacks, expert against the computer, how to start a cybersecurity ethical hacking career, how to hack into a wireless network, how to conduct a penetration test, how to bypass antivirus, how the fundamental of networking, how to remain anonymous on the internet, the fundamental of Linux, the fundamental of Bash, how to gather website and app data, the fundamental of Python, maintaining access to expert computer, website and web application hacking, mobile phone security tips, where you can practice hacking for free, conducting passive and active resonance on a network. This course need to allow on-demand your 6 downloadable resources, full left access, extra mobility, and certification completion. The next is learn user experience design from A to Z Adobe XD UI slash UX design. In this course, you will learn how to become a professional UX UI designer, how to land your first job as a UX UI designer, how to design a website from scratch in Adobe XD, how to design a website and mobile phone app from scratch, how to pick a best color scheme, how to work with font, the best place to get your first job, UX UI job, learn both UI and UX, land your design role, how to design or build a prototype, how to identify a customer problem to solve, how to conduct a user research, learn the various styles, guide, element, and prototype, learn sketching and wireframe. This course is 13 hour on demand video, 14 downloadable resources, full definite XML and certification. The next course is Master Trigonometry and Calculus in MATLAB. In this course, you will learn solution of linear and nonlinear equations by coding in MATLAB, matrix operation in MATLAB, solving polynomials by using MATLAB, solving and plotting trigonometric function by coding in MATLAB, MATLAB coding and of logarithm and exponential function, MATLAB coding of 3D curve, and all the fundamental concept of calculus. These courses in 3 are only one year full lifetime access, extra mobility, and certification commission. The next was it build amazing website with HTML, CSS, SAS, JavaScript, and more. In this course, you will learn how to build an amazing and website professional, beautifully and responsive. Learn the skills needed to become a front developer. Learn the fundamental of web design. Learn the fundamental of JavaScript, modern CSS technique to create a stunning design and effects. Step by step website project using HTML5 and CSS3, SAS project, global variable, architecting CSS, managing media, query, etc., jQuery animating effect, scroll effect, and sticky navigation, advanced CSS animation, how to make your website stand out, learn the fundamental of SEO, website project for you to follow step by step, how to get a web design client, ready to use email script for getting client, ready to use proposal template, ready to use consultation script for getting client, Flexboy layout, build a project with Flexboy, advanced responsive design, media query, mobile versus desktop, NPM, development workflow, and building process. This course will 38.5 on demand video, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification mission. The next course is Java programming, complete beginner to advanced. In this course, you will learn core Java skills from complete beginner to advanced skill. This course includes 3 hour on demand video, 1 article, 28 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification completion. The next course is the complete introduction to C++ programming. In this course, you will learn how to use C++ in the right way, understand your complex C++ function, learn different tips and tricks to improve your C++ skills, create your own basic program with C++, be able to use C++ on a daily basis, learn at your own rhythm with different practical access at each class. This course will 5 hour on demand video, full lifetime access, extra warranty, and certification mission. The next course is web scraping in Python with beautiful shop by example. In this course, you will learn web scraping, extracting all kind of data from web, storing data to CSV. This course you do are only one view for article, full lifetime access, Excel modality, certification machine. The next course is SQL Masterclass, SQL for Data Analytics. In this course, you will learn knowledge of all essential SQL commands, become proficient in SQL tools like group, by, joins, and subquery, become a competent in using sorting and filtering command in SQL, master SQL, most popular string, mathematical, and data and time function, enhance the performance of your database, use views and index, increase your efficiency by learning the best practice while writing a SQL query, relevant theory concept also cover up so that you can excel in the BI job interview and via solid understanding of SQL. This course is 7.5 on demand video for article 59 downloadable resources, one practice test, full lifetime access, Excel modality, and solution completion. The next course is learn Python for data science A to Z version 5.9. In this course, you will grasp the fundamentals of Python for data science, understand the basics of analytics, comprehend the use of analytics in various domains, learn the different role of the in different tools and analytics, gain the understanding of different tools and techniques in analytics, acquire the knowledge of data science, data mining, statistics, machine learning, supervised and non-supervised tagging, get the knowledge of script modeling framework, learn the key delivered to successful project, acquire the knowledge of the types of data, scale and measure it, gain the understanding of installing Anaconda and Jupyter on the external laptop, acquire the knowledge how to analyze, retrieve and clean the data with Python, get understanding of basic programming and data structure, comprehend to use pandas and large data set, time series analysis and effective data visualization, learn all about the statistics, hypothesis test, probability, distribution, and sampling techniques, get the complete knowledge about graphical representation of data, acquire the knowledge of linear and logistic regression, get the complete acquainted with cluster analysis and associated rule analytics, understand all the tech about text mining. These courses in 6 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external modality, and certification completion. The next course is ARM Assembly for Hacker. In this course, you will learn ARM Assembly Basic. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external modality, and certification completion. The next course is Easy Way to Learn Python for Beginner 2021. In this course, you will learn to create a professional real-world program in Python, the ultimate OOP way. Learn how to plan a Python program before writing them. Learn and apply the proper design principle when programming is Python. Learn the troubleshoot code issue using debugger. Get a deep understanding of how Python works under the hood. Learn to write highly organized modular code. You will build a large real-world Python application. This course is 11 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel modality, and certification completion. The next course is Algebra Project Management 19 course in 1. In this course, you will learn Algebra Project Management framework with an emphasis of the product owner with organizational strategy as the foundation. Student learn how to develop the product vision and the product roadmap to identify user role and write a user story. Additional topics include Agile culture, ethics, project selection, charactering, Scrum, Kanban, team development, release planning, value assignment, retrospective, and risks. Students will learn by doing their own project for better practical experience and knowledge. Learn how to get into the LG mindset to achieve success in the helping organization you work. This course is 12.5 on-demand video, full lifetime external warranty and certification completion. The next course is Search Engine Optimization Complete Specialization course. In this course, you will learn SEO techniques, organic marketing, Google search engine, technical SEO, content writing and marketing, off-page SEO, on-page SEO, social media marketing, keyword and competency research, lead generation. These courses is 3.5 on-demand video, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel modality, assigned and certification completion. The next course is Comprehensive SQL Bootcamp Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will understand PostgreSQL database object, perform create performance, creating a database using PostgreSQL GUI, creating a table with PostgreSQL GUI and SQL command, use SQL to insert record in a database, use SQL to execute queries against a database, use SQL query to retrieve the database from a database, use SQL to update a record into a database, use SQL to delete records from a database, use SQL to create a procedure into a database, create a SQL to create views in a database, use SQL to filter and sort data from a database, query an element, duplicate record, joining and querying data from multiple tables using various aggregate functions and grouping data using various operators to query data using various analytic functions. This course in 8.5 on-demand view, full lifetime access, exam variety, and traditional mission. The next course is SQL injection unlock SQLi web attack. In this course, you will have SQL language basic, defending SQLi attack, union-based SQL injection, error-based SQL injection, boolean-based SQL injection, time-based SQL injection, semi-automatic SQLi tools, automated SQLi injection. This course is 4.5 on-demand video, 4 articles, 1 downloadable basis, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next course is 1 on JavaScript. In this course, you will learn the basics of JavaScript, learn the basics of programming. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next course is Master HTML5 from very beginner to pro. In this course, you will learn basic introduction to HTML, installation of IDE from HTML5, text formatting tag, list element, image element, form element, semantic element, table element, and link element in HTML5. This course is 4 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next is learn to create minimal typography and logo opener in Adobe. In this course, you will learn motion graphic for logo and title. This course is 42 minutes on demand video, 1 downloadable basis, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next was anti-money laundering concept, AML, KYC, and compliance. In this course, you will 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next was full stack programming for complete beginner in Python. In this course, you will learn programming principle, programming in Python, implementing MongoDB with Python, creating graphical user interface, implementing the graphical user interface with Python using PyQt5, software engineer principle, making full stack desktop application. This course is 9.5 on demand video, 41 downloadable basis, full lifetime, exam warranty, and certification. The next was the complete 2021 Facebook Ads course for digital marketing. In this course, you will learn Facebook Ads from beginner to advanced level, grow a business from scratch, become a freelancer and offer service online, work at a high-paying marketing field, become a marketing consultant. This course you do around demand your full lifetime, exam warranty, and certification. The next was the complete C programming course for beginner. In this course, you will understand the fundamental C programming, learn one of the most popular and widely used language in the world, master the C programming language from the ground, understand how to write a clean and efficient code in C, learn how to solve a program using C programming language. This course is 6.5 on demand video, 1 downloadable basis, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next was the day of Terraform and AWS Cloud Formation. In this course, you will learn AWS Cloud Formation, IAC, Infrastructure as a Code, AWS Cloud, Terraform. This course is 4.5 on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification. The next course is build 17 beginner project with Python, JavaScript, C++, C#. In this course, you will learn how to build a music player, paint drawing program, screensaver program, currency converter program, web browser, build a CS calculator, build a workaround program, image slider app, to-do list app, interactive quiz app, loan calculator, JavaScript calculator, digital clock, weight conversion program, countdown app, calculator with Python, how to build a lottery number simulator program. This course in 20.5 on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course in 2020 Microsoft Excel for A to Z, beginner to expert course. In this course, you will learn how to master Excel from A to Z, how to bring a proficient data analytics, how to be a better, fast, strong Excel user, how to land your first job as an Excel expert, how to save hours of time to boost your productivity in Excel, how to find value with VLOOK, HLOOKUP, index match, how to use a max statistic logic text function, how to use the VBA and macros, how to use VLOOK, HLOOK in formula, how to create a basic and advanced formula, mastering pivot table, creating charts from your data. This course will 13 hour demand your 3 downloadable basis, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is project cost management, estimating, budgeting and control. In this course, you will learn how to estimate cost of your project, how to return project budget, how to control a project cost, how to how to use earned value management indicator. This course will 2.5 on demand your full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Future Trading Mastery 2021 free top 45 trading signals. This course will 1 hour on demand your full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Vedic Max and Mental Max 2 Animated Video 2021. In this course, you will learn speed, easy, fast, quick techniques, trick, key, concept, quizzes, shortcut, IQ skills, memory techniques by Vedic and Mental Max. This course will 5 on demand video 11 downloadable basis, full lifetime, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Best Online Course for CAT and Competitive Exam in India 2021. In this course, you will learn best online course for SSC, CGL, Campus Placement, MCAT, MMAT, CMAT, SSET, etc. This course is 6.5 on demand video 14 downloadable basis, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Learn 47 different way to make money online. This course includes 3 hour on demand video of 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is dropshipping hurdles you can overcome. In this course, you will learn how to get your dropshipping business to a next level. This course is 30 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is affiliate networking. In this course, you will find out the way to instantly build a powerful team to affiliate that will promote every product you release. There are the surefire strategy used by the pros. Learn exactly what you need before the contact affiliate and influencer to guarantee they sign up to promote your product launch. Find out how to find a super affiliate and two leaders using just a couple of free powerful networking resources that will put your direct contact with the top. Discover the easy way to launching the affiliate into action. Find out the way to keep them more focused and motivated so that they can continue to drive in quality traffic and sale and much more, all within this special course. This course in 40 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Passive Income for Dropshipping. Learn Drop Service 100XC. In this course, you will learn passive income, dropshipping service, online business 10 times better than dropshipping. You will learn web development in WordPress to create professional, beautiful and expensive drop servicing app. You will learn the strategy for getting client and for free drop serving website. You will learn the receive work order, receiving payment, dealing with freelancer and more. You will learn how to create a affiliate system to your drop servicing website to make more sense. You will learn how to make a profitable in drop servicing compared to drop shipping for passive income. This course will fire on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next was the hiring process talent management. In this course, you will learn defining and knowing the position, filtering application to interview, making an offer, onboarding. This course will 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next was Make and Sell Udemy course on autopilot marketing. In this course, you will learn making online course, video editing, making money on Udemy, providing Udemy course at autopilot. This course is 6.5 on demand video, 6 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is only 2021. Here, how to deal with it. In this course, you will protect against COVID-19 and also effect of the lockdown. Pass the tips and added to the story to elderly relative and friends, or just remember them from yourself. Learn about anti-inflammatory diet, 300 plus activity to fight boredom, prevent eye aging, improve sleepiness, oxygenate your blood, overcome loneliness. Look forward for most positively to growing old. Workbook added to holistic medicine. This course unit 4 are only 123 downloadable basis, full lifetime axis, external mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is positive psychology. In this course, you will realistic the joy in the lifetime is a state there waiting to be claimed and shared. Slow down here and be bring hygiene into their life and share it outside medicine work. This course will to 12 hour on demand video 18 downloadable service full lifetime extra warranty traditional condition. The next course is quantum physics, university level course. In this course, we learn what is quantum mechanics, what is wave function, derivation of time-dependent Schrodinger and wave equation, operational using quantum mechanics, proof to various theorems used in quantum mechanism, derivation of Schrodinger wave equation, equity of continuity, Heisenberg equation of motion, plane, Jordan equation, eigenvalue wave equation, properties of operator using in quantum mechanics, photoelectric effect experiment. These courses are typed by fire, demand view, full lifetime, extra modality, assignment, and certification. The next will find your unique memory personality, including online tests. In this course, you will get trained by 3x time bench studying, author, 1000 plus live presentation, know your memory attorney, reveal your personal build memory, find your unique memory personality in your free online test, know your unique memory personality and the characteristic of you have learn the 12 secret memory language and how to choose to build memory, get the guidance, how can you further improve your memory, learning and communication. This course in 42 minutes on demand video to download full experiences, extra variety and traditional mission. The next course is diversity at workplace. In this course, you will identify the stereotype, how to manage diversity for affect me, how to deal with discrimination, how to diversity affect me. This course is 32 minutes on demand video full lifetime extra mobility and traditional mission. The next course is memory expert tool, the major system. In this course, you will learn be able to memorize long sequence, number, date, and events, appointment, and anniversary, playing card, etc. This course you will boost your studying anything you want to learn. This course you want on demand video, one article, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime, extra variety, and traditional mission. The next course is minimalism, the minimalist lifestyle. In this course, you will leave enough time to do things and they love for the apply of fundamental protocol. This course will 10 hour demand video, 11 downloadable resources, full lifetime, exam ID and certification. The next course is goal setting mastery, pen of success. In this course, you will learn how to discover your life purpose, which you can set a goal for yourself, learn the step to setting powerful goal, learn how to create an action plan for your goal, learn the method to accelerate your goal and achieve them faster, learn how to program your mind for success, learn how to stay focused all the way, such as your dream become a reality. This course in 30 minutes on demand your full lifetime, exam ID and certification mission. The next is Marka Olympic. In this course, we will Marka Olympic Euro. This course in Turkey. This course in 90 hour on demand video, full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next course is Coding Engineer API and Vue.js Todo List Programming. This course in Turkey. This course in 5 hour on demand video, full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next course is Configuration by Optimization Day to Pagani and Day Facebook. In this course, you will learn this course in 44 minutes on demand video, full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next is Meet Online Marketing, then Business Atoma on a Wizard. This course in German. This course in 18 hour on demand video, 8 article, 9 article to download full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next was Populi Solea, Meracale, Linux, Epi, Pulcanium, Rehabili. This course in Turkish. This course in 3 hour on demand video, full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next was Data Flow in Power BI. This course in Spanish. This course in 11 hour on demand video, 2 article to practice the full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next was Master in VBA Excel. These are your Microsoft application. This course includes 21.5 on demand video, 12 articles, 120 downloadable resources, full lifetime, exam variety and certification condition. The next was Dell Cutting, Comac, Piano, Organization Demo. This course in Polish. This course includes 2 hour on demand video, full lifetime, exam variety and Statistical Mission. Then the next course is Organism, Volatile Organization, Arrays, etc. These courses in German. These courses two are on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next was this data also given. These courses include 36 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next was courses compared the Gaston del Temple. These courses in Spanish. These courses in 1 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next was Decoding EBA Office Yasman Karu. This course in Turkish. This course in 2 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. This course in 2 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next was Organized Testodon in Senior Computer Day Organization. This course in Spanish. This course in 2 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next course is in Russian. This course in 2 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. The next course is in Korea. In this course in 2 hour on demand video for lifetime exam mobility and statistical mission. All the course links are given in the description. If you ended up a query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.